In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, DeFi, a game changer.
You want me to play anything else?
Yeah, I think Schavez is on.
Hello, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How's everyone doing? Good?
Awesome.
Okay, amazing. I have good information. Today, I finally have something exciting to share with you guys. After 2 weeks. Every Wednesday, I cannot bring something exciting, but this week I have something. Maybe you already heard it, but again, I'll repeat it. All right. Perfect. I see people are here. Okay. How is Boomerang going on? I'm unmuting everyone. Tell us, how's the response?
Amazing.
That's good for me.
Great.
Beautiful.
Can't wait.
Great.
Can't wait.
Black flying away. Boomerang away, Schavez.
Amazing. I believe after doing some trades today, you might have realized and tasted, good speed. But let me tell you, the updates that I have, the explanation that I'm going to give you all, it is going to be even faster. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's get deep into it, understand what we working on and what were the challenges that we fixed. Okay. I believe my screen is visible to everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. So yesterday, that means Monday, when we pushed the DApp live, day before yesterday, when we pushed the DApp live, there were sort of problems which came. People saw their limits going zero. That was not a problem. The limit did not go zero at all. It was just not showing to you at the front end because of the database mismatch, or database was not able to fetch it. Okay. So, and also, let me tell everyone that the old limit discrepancy which was there got solved till Monday. So last week, the development that we did, we built new scripts, we migrated the information from old database to new database, and in the new database, synced with Web3 layer, we integrated this, and now everyone got their limit back. Nobody has complained that their limit has issue or they are facing any kind of challenges with the limits. All right, so having achieved that, we pushed the DApp live on Monday. When we pushed the DApp live on Monday, we faced that user stats are not updating whenever you went on boomerang.trade. So last time I checked, it was 59,000 trades. Let me see. Okay. So it's really fast. Okay, it's 60,304 trades. So this data was mismatched. The user stats were, sometimes it were not appearing. It was, everything was 00 here. And the profit, the platform stats were incorrect because of the database synchronization. So what we did, this inconsistency in updating user statistics was the challenge. So we started the synchronization of the limit and your trading current trading status, like the number of loans or the amount of loans you borrow, it must be updated at the Web3 layer at the same time. So what we did, we created, okay, so we created the whole flow, and then we updated the smart contract that user statistics. That means once you trade, right, it should register at the Web3 level instantly. Because what happened was the Polygon blockchain was slow, it was lagging at that time, and due to that, and also people were not closing or waiting for the dApp to load properly. So what happened? It resulted in giving wrong user stats to some people. And then we got this issue from the community, and then we started finding the solution for the problem which we did not even recognize, because that was not even a problem. It was just database mismatch that was happening, because there are two friends. They were not able to coordinate with each other, Web 2 layer and Web 3 layer. So we created a nice well bonding between them now. So it's not even a challenge. Okay. So once you have, let's say, 10 to 15 tabs open and some of the transaction fail, once these transactions fail due to uh, SPL error, or maybe you don't have flash loan limit, or maybe trade is not profitable, it was registering, it was depleting your flash loan limit. You know the reason why? Because the refresh time of the dApp was long and users were closing the tab and opening the new one to start another trade. And that's what caused the lack of updation in the database at application level. And then therefore it did not even make any changes or any alteration in the Web3 layer. That's why you have your limits intact. The reason why I'm explaining all this is because you must know all this. You must understand how it actually works, and then you can relate. This is part of development. We are trying to achieve MVP here. And with the stats, with the problems that we are encountering with the community in real time, we are getting to understand. This is the stress test of the tool, which is good. This is how it will become stronger, better, faster, efficient. Okay. And then we disable the page refresh. Uh, and then we also uh, started analyzing more scenarios to identify potential causes that were contributing to database update failures. And we uh, completely aligned or synchronized the Web3 layer data and the application layer data, so that you don't ever face this kind of challenge again. Okay. And next, I would like to focus and emphasize on the dApp speed, which is very fast right now. But this fast speed is not just fast. Let me tell you guys. So the speed of the dApp have certain dependencies which are on the network. So sometimes I'm explaining this to make you all understand, once we will be live with the MVP, right, with the minimum viable product, then these dependencies, I would remind you guys, if you will ever come to me or support or your upline about the speed of the dApp, then you must understand that the speed of the dApp, speed of the transactions have certain dependencies. The first dependency is on the network. If the Polygon blockchain is experiencing heavy load time, uh, huge traffic, because there are so many games which are built on Polygon, if Matic is facing any issue like that, then the DApp, the transaction speed would be slow because it is fetching data real time from the blockchain. Okay. And then it can be on Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum. Okay, so good news for the community that we are now testing Arbitrum also. So interesting fact about Arbitrum is when we started testing Arbitrum, we found that there can be consistent, profitable opportunities with, yes, the gas fee is also low in Arbitrum as well. So it is again going to open us new doors for the community to explore new network with Arbitrum. So we already have started along with Ethereum and BNB. We are now testing with Arbitrum. It's very different. I won't reveal the whole secret sauce which we have, around Arbitrum today, but later I will brief you all what's the big deal about Arbitrum. All right. And then the DApp speed has dependency on database. So when I say database, these all issues which were there, these all lags which were there were because of the database, where we store the information, where we store how much flash loan you have, how much you can use, and how much you have used it, and what is the status right now. So that is what we call database. Okay. So the biggest dependency is on the database, and we have solved it. Okay. The most important thing in the database is user stats. So whenever you come across any such issue where you refresh the DApp or you get on the DApp and you see nothing here in user stats, you see nothing here, you see 0, 0 or nil, or you see no values, then do not execute the trade. It will certainly not register in the, if it will fail, then it may or may not do anything. You understand? So this user stats has to be retrieved, has to be populated once you start or initiate your trade. This is very crucial, very important. This user stats determine your available total uh, trade limit and limit left and the volume that you have traded so far. That's how it determines your profit and your number of trades that you have run. Okay, so whenever you see 0, 0, just wait, refresh, and then try the trade. Otherwise, it may fail or it will take longer, because first the application has to fetch the data, user stats, and then it will execute your transaction. And in that period of time, maybe the profitable opportunity that you wanted to trade with is not profitable anymore. So understand this. That's why people who are facing trade failures and also spending gas fee will learn how when not to trade. Okay. And then there is arbitrage algorithms that we run. We bring arbitrage pairs for you. We bring uh, okay. So All right. So the arbitrage algorithms that work and that bring profitable opportunities for you, they also determine the DAP speed. That means when you click on market opportunities, you find a pair, it takes time, right? Though it is available, but at the first hand, when you open the app, it loads, it takes certain time. So the refresh time for algos is 10 seconds. It is fixed and it is going to be the same. So 10 seconds, algo, every 10 seconds, these scripts are bringing profitable opportunity. These are refreshing every 10 seconds and the DAP load time is also 10 seconds. Okay. In process, to execute a transaction, you have to request for flash loan and then arbitrage takes place and then it refreshes and Boomerang is ready for another trade. This whole process is technically a 30-second process on Polygon, right? So why does it take long time? Let's take a breakup of this 30-second plus 10-second DAP load time. Every trade must go through in the MVP in 40 seconds. But you have to be very quick with that. Let's say you take 10 seconds to find a profitable pair. And then another 10 seconds, the DAP loading time, 30-second block time. You will be able to execute a trade in 50 seconds ideally, be it of any ticket size, be it how many number of times you want to run a trade and keep running the trade. This is the ideal circumstances that will that are basically technically feasible. So 50 seconds a trade. So if you, I mean, I don't have that creative way of explaining this like Trashit does, but if you are making like $5, $10 every 50 second, and you are taking resting for 10 seconds between the trades, then every minute you are making $10. So that's a lot of money. So you can imagine and calculate. All right. So one more thing I just want to explain. So right now, so I'll tell you, I'll explain how did we fix it? How did we ensure that database error or data population will never happen again? Data population lag will never happen again, except for the dependencies on the network. We can't control the network. It is not our network. But the uh, the database level dependency can be sorted like this. So in the database, right now we are using MongoDB, which is giving us good services. But at the same time, there is a limitation to everything, every ready-made solution in the market. So what we have created customized MySQL for the database. So this SQL, this customized SQL is going to ensure that our database can be of millions of people and millions of people can trade in real time together. Let's say if 50,000 clicks happen every second in the peak hour of a day, then every transaction is going through and every limit is deducted and new limit is added whenever someone buys a new license or purchases one more over the existing one. So with this, we have discovered, because there is no ready-made solution for this. There is no ready-made product like this existing in the market. So we have to find solutions according to the problems that we face or according to the challenges that we face along with this. That's why it is beta test phase. So we found that using ready-made database solution is not going to work in a larger scale with 100,000 wallets. It can work. It is still efficiently working with us with very less number of users. It can even work with 100,000 and more. But I am talking about the vision to have millions of people trade on this platform. So for that, we need to have uh, really permanent and extensive solutions that 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 are rock solid. So with the customized SQL, we will be having capacity to contain billions of instances. That means, let's say you are one user like me, and you have run 23 trades and you have made profit of $86. You have consumed the volume of $77,000, $7,700. Your total limit is 51. Your limit left is this. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 instances of database in which the information is stored at the Web2 layer in the application level and at the Web3 layer in the smart contract level. So this solution will enable us to contain billions of instances in real time. So what are we preparing for? We are preparing for expansion, or you can say we are preparing for uh, bringing Boomerang to millions of people, millions of wallet addresses. We don't recognize people with their identities, but with wallet addresses. Yes. So millions of wallet addresses can trade on Boomerang. So it's getting ready. Now it's finally taking a shape of a giant product in which there is no scalability gaps, or you can say no challenges in terms of scalability, because we are seeing it in front of our eyes and we are implementing, we are increasing bandwidths of different levels at different aspects, and that is making it exciting. So, well, this might sound boring to you guys, but this is really fascinating. And this is a real breakthrough in terms of development that we achieve as developers. And we really celebrate these breakthroughs when we, accomplish these small things which are really big. When it goes to the market, it is really big. So I believe, I mean, community, as a community, you are experiencing this, the whole development flow, you are understanding how it is built, everything. But we used to do it within our team. So it might be, I mean, for our community, it's not new. We tested the blockchain together, we tested the mining ecosystem together. So it's all good. But for the new people, the new members of our community, it might be new and fascinating or maybe boring for them. So we have a habit of doing this. So we build together. Okay, so next is the interesting thing, Beyond Blocks with Boomerang. This is an event that we are going to invite you all. I'm excited to see you all in person, and new people who are working really hard and bringing crazy sales every single day. So giving you all brief, it is going to be officially announced very soon on our channels. Well, it was announced earlier to the leadership call in which all the leaders came. So the event is going to start from 25th. 25th you will arrive. 24th also. The people who are taking flights from far, they can arrive on 24th itself. Arrivals, I'll write here more arrivals. And then 26th, 25th also we will have some activities, or you can say get together. And then 26th we will have event, and 27th we will have some activities and then departure. The qualification criteria is to be achieved before 20th of February. That means 13 days from now. The qualification criteria is you have to achieve $50,000 of matching business volume on both sides, or if you are building the stronger leg, then $100,000 on the weaker side. So take a screenshot of your dashboard, how much, where you are, how much volume is coming in every day. If it is crossing $50,000 on both sides, then you are coming to Dubai, and we will sit together, we will eat together, and we'll talk about the things that we are going to do, at even more detail here. And also, there is going to be different companies and projects which are going to participate in the event with us. So you will get an idea as to which direction we are headed to in terms of the community growth and development. Okay, so this is it. I believe everyone is excited about coming to Dubai. How many people want to come? Give me a heads up. Raise your hands. Let me see how many people wants to visit Dubai. Just 60, 70. Come on, it's just you don't even have to hit Shiba for it. Can it be even easier enough? It is the easiest. That's why I was like, let me give people the criteria of hitting the mega pool. And I was like, no, mega pool is going to be big because $1 million sales on Boomerang, and then nodes are not there. So I thought, let's keep it very short and sweet and simple so that we can have more people get together and we can do many things, right? So I'm excited. Well, this is how this industry works. So let's do it the MLM way. Okay, so 110 people wants to be here. Only 110 people? Do you guys have any idea? I'm just talking about the Indian community. I went on Zoom today, and also Lucky is giving me assurance that from India alone, they are having a target of qualifying 200 people just from India. I know population wise, India is bigger than uh, many countries alone, but just telling you, a community speaking one language is 200 in number. And that is compared to the rest of the world, which is this international Zoom, 120 people only. Okay. I will see how many people qualify. And well, if you all qualify, 658 people on the call, uh, everyone comes. Come on. There is no discrimination, differentiation. It's free, fair for everyone. Everyone has a fair chance here. It's not like I'm not a big leader, I'm a small leader, I have done this, I have done that. No, it's a small target. Just show us that you are a builder, and that's it. You are in. You don't have to prove that you are a builder. You have to show us. I don't think this is uh, beyond beyond achievable. Come on, it is easily achievable. So I see. Darwin, you want to come? Amazing. I'd love to meet you. Okay. Joseph wants to come. Come on, further. David, you guys are coming already. You guys are going to be crashing. These are crashers. Financial Freedom Team is crashing into the event. Eunice can't wait to meet you. Pascal, can't wait. Brooklyn, can't wait. Amazing. Vincent, Emilio, Anthony, amazing. Gordon, hey man, great, great. I'm just having fun to understand and see how many people are going to be here, and I'm going to hang out with these people. Oh, Claire, can't wait. Work hard. For now, you need to be here. Siani, amazing. Stephen, are you coming with Eunice? You have to. Okay. And then who do we have? Okay. Sophia. Vijay is already coming. Vijay, come on. You guys are going to qualify 10 people with your own volume. Coach Fayana, I really can't wait to meet you. And FYI, I won't let you guys sleep. Really. We will run the US prime time, UK prime time together here. Okay, Nora is in Dubai already. Susan, can't wait. Andre, Lars, can't wait to meet you. I'm just scrolling. Nezla, you are crashing already. Shobha, can't wait. Teresa, Joyce, come over. Lani, can't wait. Amazing, amazing. Albert, come on, you'll be here. I know. You'll qualify 2-3 people. Amazing. All right. Well, let's see. 144 people are willing to jump on the plane and come over. So I really need to brace up. Come on. This is okay. So I will make sure I need to organize this properly based on your interest and also excitement within the community after looking at the business volume. I think around 50 people have already qualified from day before yesterday, 2 days, 50 people qualified. So understand the seriousness and this massive momentum that we are generating, we are creating. It is it is getting bigger and bigger every single day. I'm jumping on number of calls, private Zooms with people, new people are coming in, and these new people are not ordinary people. They are, you know, they are deep rooted in the industry, like typical affiliate marketers. They are jumping into this. Uh, it's really, sometimes it's weird also, sometimes it's very strange, but the way that our community is catering, is welcoming these new people is really amazing. You guys are doing a great job. Let me tell you, all the BTCC miners, all the Satoshis, you know, we started together. You guys are doing amazing job here. So I really can't, skip to appreciate the efforts that you all are putting to bring together this massive community of different people from all around the world. I don't know how are you guys finding these people. Some people are, they end up knowing me from somewhere else. And I'm like, I know this guy. And you guys are bringing them. It's crazy. Now I understand. I have seen the power, I have seen the volume, I've seen the potential of this industry in the last one we ran, you know, in initial days of We Are Also Taushi. But this is really incredible because people, they have this kind of different conviction in the product because it's really working. It's shaking people off because what happens when you present, you go on call, you show them the product, this is the product, and then you show the pitch deck, and then you're like, okay, buy this license, buy this subscription, and the product will be launched. And then there is a wait. Here you present the product, and then you show, here is the product. It works. This is how it executes arbitrage. This is how you make money. You can also test with me. It is being developed. So this is very different, and you have no idea. I think uh, uh, within the kind of momentum and the number of signups that I'm just giving you guys insights because today is my day. Uh, the number of signups, new registrations that we are receiving, and the rate at which it is increasing every week, I would say next 6 months, if it is growing like this, if it is, uh, you know, it increases drastically after the MVP, I don't know. But if it is growing like the same pace, which is growing right now, in 6 months, we will be a million people community with no fail. So the power of the product can be seen here, evidently. So let's embrace the power of the product. Let's work together. And this coming few days and weeks are very crucial for you, because number one, you have to make money, right? You are making money, make more money, and then make some more sales and come to Dubai. Okay. 144 people here in this room said they want to come. Okay. So I'll try to hug everyone at least once. So 144 hugs. There we go.
That's absolutely wonderful, Chavez. The first 100 is for me, and then you have another 14 that you may hug, okay?
Okay.
Chavez, will you be kind enough to take about 10 questions?
Sure.
Okay, very good. Let us go ahead and start with Darwin. Darwin, what is your question? Please go ahead and ask.
Hey, good day.
Hey,
When
Darwin.
when did the contest start?
It has started. We are in the game. Were you not on the leadership call?
What day? Huh?
5th.
What day? On the 5th.
Yes,
5th.
it starts on the 5th.
So
Oh.
5th, from 5th to 20th, the business volume, if it is, if you are working on both, if the volume is coming under you, not spillover, you understand, directly associated or indirectly associated with your structure, within your structure, not spillover.
Yeah.
If it is 50 and 50, you're done, qualified. If you are working on the stronger side and it is 100K, qualified.
Quick question on the Boomerang.
Mhm.
What I do is when I have a successful trade, I go back
Mhm.
and I do it over and over and over and over again until it's, and sometimes I can get 5 or 6 trades, pairs. Is it possible when you do the trade to leave the pairs there rather than having to go back and get them? Can you do that?
Yes, for that, Darwin, we have to build the bot.
Okay.
And it's not going to be easy. Well, let me tell you, some people have tried to build the bot themselves on Boomerang, and they failed because it's not possible like that. If it was, then we would have started with a bot.
Thank you so much, Darwin. Let us go ahead and make sure everybody gets a chance to ask the question. And you must have your video on. Okay, so the next person, Felicia, will you share your face with us, please? Lower the camera so we
I
can go
know.
ahead and see
I
your
know.
face. And
know.
let me move this out of the way.
Can you see
Okay.
my face now?
Yes, please. Thank you. Go ahead and
Okay.
ask your question.
Chavez,
Can still only see your head, but
I
that's
haven't been
okay.
enlisted. I haven't been enlisted. You told me that I'm itching to start, trading.
Yes. So you need to check your address. And Felicia, let's not make this a support Zoom today. Let's
Mhm.
keep conceptual questions. I will make sure you will be looked after by the support team. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Thank you,
Let's
Felicia.
only keep the conceptual questions. If you want to have some conceptual clarity over the issues that I discussed about the Boomerang and the development that we are doing, and also any concerns regarding Boomerang and the platform, feel free to ask question. Let's not bring support issues today. Support day is Saturday.
Yes, it is. Thank you very much, Chavez. Please let me make sure that I'm clear. No avatars. Okay, so we need your human face and we need it full on in the Zoom frame, or I will go ahead and only those that are
Demer.
okay.
Demer.
Damer?
Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, first of all, I mean, what a community, what an opportunity. I'm really thrilled to be a part of everything that's going on here. I have, some sort of sensitive question. So when we exchange, for example, USDC to Theta USD, so when the actual Boomerang is showing us the, let's say, 1.20% of the on the exchange. So which exchange does Boomerang use? You know, does it pick up a course from Binance to Poloniex, or like where that exact price is speaking from?
Okay, so we use, the website is not ready properly, but we are still building the website. These are the 18, these are the decentralized exchanges that we use. We use these DEX aggregators to fetch the price. These aggregators, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. We also use 1inch and OpenOcean. And
Right.
then we use these DEXs to execute the transaction. So let me tell you how it works. It fetches the information, the route. Let me explain, because I believe you were not there on Zoom last Wednesday. I explained the same.
Actually, I mean, sorry to interrupt you. Actually, to be exactly honest with you, I'm just introduced with this yesterday, so I just
okay.
immediately came in, and yeah,
Happy to help you. Well, this is my job to make you guys understand. So this is a DEX aggregator, right?
right.
This is OpenOcean. Okay. So when the scripts run and they find the routes using these aggregators, so these different pricings on different exchanges come up, right?
All right.
And then we get a route also to execute the transaction. Let's say in this case, this distribution of Matic is done in USDC, and it is swapped with USDC. Sometimes what happens is, let's say you swap the trade, and then it will find, let's say it will find different route. It will split and then execute the swap in a very different direction using different exchanges. Likewise, we do what? We take the route from aggregators, we save the fee that aggregator charges you, and we execute the trade using these DEXs directly.
Okay, yeah, I understand now. Yeah, because I really didn't. I mean, I really didn't know. Like, where do you picking that exact same price? I mean, it's the. I mean, because those prices, you know, they're all different from each other. But I didn't know. I mean, is that coming? Is this price coming from Binance, and then this one is coming from PancakeSwap or Poloniex or whatever? So now
Exactly.
it's more clear. Yeah. Yeah,
So
thank
it's
you.
aggregator. So aggregators, this is their job. This is where they make money. They
Yeah,
bring different pricings from different exchanges,
yeah,
and our algorithms are so fast that they pick up the route, and then we just have to execute the same route of the transaction which we pick up the path for, and it splits the amount. So the smart contract does everything at that.
yeah. Which, I mean, I presume manually will be so much harder to do. I mean, if you do it, it's
Damir,
yeah,
impossible.
yeah,
Impossible.
yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Damer. That was a great question. Appreciate that. Finau, please unmute and go ahead and ask your question.
Thank you, Grace. Chavez, I cannot thank you enough for this great opportunity. I know this is a way of me helping my community. I'm asking you a favor. I know exchange for the USDT. This is the problem. I face it every time.
I have a solution for you.
Okay.
Now, I have a solution for you now. I recently got someone, and I will just text me or Coach Fayana, and I
Okay.
will organize.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Very good. Thank you for that. Alrighty, I believe that Gemente, please go ahead and unmute and ask your question. Please remember, folks, you have to have your human face on if you want for me to call on you. Alrighty, thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Ms. Grace. Hi, Schavez. Let me first congratulate you guys. You are doing an amazing job, you know, because the information we get today, man, it make me jump here like hell, man. Very, very, very good information. But I have a question about the database, the Mongo database. Customize my query, SQL. Did that mean, did I hear good that it is now possible that billions of people can whitelist their wallets?
Yes, but it will be done after the MVP, not before the MVP. So this is the beta test phase in which limited 100,000 wallets will perform. But since we are building this, the beta phase is to make the product ready for millions of users, right? So these are the milestones that we are achieving one by one and making it more scalable. So I was explaining with the scalability perspective of Boomerang, it is now at the database level scalable, which is a very big challenge when it comes to running dApps at that kind of scale. Now we have achieved a way through which we can have the liberty and freedom to include millions of wallet addresses with no issue.
Okay. Thank you. That will be a great achievement.
Thank you so much. Gemente, I hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you very much for the great question. Lawrence, please unmute yourself and ask your question, please.
Hi, Schavez. Good evening.
Mm.
Yeah, my question is very, very simple. I am very, very excited. I started doing the trade last 3 days, and I was so excited. And because of excitedness, I was able to exhaust all my flash loan up 4,500. So excited, very, very excited. So my question is, when can one, in case you exhausted your flash loan, how soon can you get replacement? In case I want to buy another flash loan, I want to buy another license.
You can buy anytime, whenever you want.
Say, for instance, when you start from the 1st of March and then you exhaust your flash loan, how quickly can you buy and then start trading again?
Instantly, even before exhausting it, you can buy it and keep it ready. Stack it.
Oh, okay.
Just what Lucky is doing. Lucky has more than, I believe now, 15 or 20 million dollars in flash
Wow.
loan.
So during the period that you are trading, you can still buy available and keep them there so that
Keep buying, man. You can buy $1 million on one account in Vero Satoshi.
Okay.
wow.
Thank you.
$300 million.
Anyway, I've purchased another one, so I believe I will get it as soon as possible, so that I can go ahead and help my downlines and show them. Because of excitedness, I was the one I got. I was resulted there, so I believe I bought another one yesterday, and I'll get it as soon as possible so that I can show my downlines. Please.
Thank you,
Definitely.
Lawrence. Thank you. Keep up
You're
that
welcome.
excitement and go ahead and invite more people to the Zooms. Thank you very much. And Chris, go ahead and unmute yourself. Chris, unmute yourself.
All right, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Thank you for taking my question. I know this is off, but we're not me and another friend are not receiving our flash loans. We've been we've been dealing with this for like 2 weeks.
Really?
And we just put in support tickets yesterday.
Uh-huh.
And we're still not receiving them.
Okay. Let me help you out.
I can give you 2 support tickets if you want the numbers.
Just give me the support ticket number.
Yeah, one is let's see here. Three 7770-8.
37708.
And mine is 38241.
Okay.
I know you're not, I know you're not taking support questions, but I've been in this, I've been signed up for well over 2 weeks now.
No problem. I have forwarded it to the support team, and they will whitelist your address, or they will lose the job in next 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry.
And I apologize for bringing this up during this time, but I'm kind of, I've kind of hit a brick wall here. I can't do anything.
Chris, that's a great question. I'm
Thank
glad
you very
said that.
much. And I want to thank you for bringing this program. And I think you're going to be changing a lot of people's lives here.
Definitely.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you.
So thank you, Chavez, and thank you, Grace.
Thanks. Mai, go ahead and unmute, please, and ask your question.
Hi, Grace. Hi, Schavez. Grace, I thought you say you're gonna call me my 10K. Okay. My question is for Schavez. Can I message you because my downline they had issue put the money into USDT too. So and I gonna do big too. I got big account. I'm gonna do it too. So can you help me out with the USDT?
Yeah, okay. Text me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, my favorite 10K club.
Yeah, thank you.
Derek, please unmute and ask your question.
Okay, we will take questions up to Marius only, and then we will close.
Okay.
Let's speak to Derek and then Marius.
Okay,
Hi,
can you hear me now?
Yes.
Hi.
Derek.
My question is very quick, Chavez. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Fantastic, I should say. So Chavez, where can we find the smart contract if that is a public thing to look at? Is that available?
Yes, the smart contract is public. You can find on every transaction. Let me show you.
And when you finish, have some time, Chavez, please check your message for me, your WhatsApp.
Derek, I'm telling you how to check, where to find, okay?
Okay.
You go to the platform, you refresh, go to my profile, okay? And then you go to platform stats, you click on any transaction, there you see a flash loan on this contract, right? From this address to on this contract. If you click on that, you will click here contract, you will find Boomerang Flash Loan Authority. This is the smart contract which executes everything. It is clearly written in Solidity.
Awesome.
You can read,
Okay.
verified, it is verified, and it is properly put together. This is just on one network, which is Polygon, and then it will be exactly the same way, but written in different way on Ethereum, then Arbitrum, BNB, then 10, 15 more networks.
Okay, okay. Hope I can get access to the video later on to go back and look at that. Thank you so much, Schavez.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Derek. Great question. Thank you. Have a good one. Marius, please
Hello.
unmute.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking my question. I just signed up a couple of hours ago. I'm brand new. I don't even know what exactly I did, what I signed up for. But I want to understand, like, I want to know where is the best place to plug in to learn more about it. That's the only question that I have, because my team, my upline team, is speaking Spanish, not English. I don't speak any Spanish, and I want to know more, learn more. What should I access, or what's the best strategy to build this business?
Who is your upline?
It's from Spain.
Okay, are you Eunice? Is he from your team? No?
I don't know. I don't know. Depends if he's from Spain. What's his name of the name of your upline, Marco?
Is Dan?
No, it's not probably from my team, but I don't know if we conducted a Zoom call every single day, 10 a.m. Eastern time, Monday to Saturday. And at night, we have a prime time Zoom call in Spanish. You are more welcome. You are welcome to join us if you want.
Not the
Marius.
Spanish, because I don't understand.
Marius,
Yes, sir.
you joined yesterday. You get my number. I sent you my number in the chat.
Thank you. I joined 2 hours ago, not yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You get my number. Text
Thank you,
me.
sir.
I will
Thank
guide
you. I appreciate it.
Amazing.
That is fantastic. Marius, congratulations.
Oh,
The way
it's
to go
from
ahead
Jose.
and,
I found it. Okay, he's from Jose.
okay.
Hi, yeah, Dan is is my top leader from Europe, from Spain. He's with Dan, yeah, Dan and Susan. I'll talk to Dan and see if I get his information and put him up to speed.
No, they are great people. Don't get me wrong, but
I know
the
they are.
communication-
They're
They are
intense.
amazing people. Actually, I love them, but the communication is pretty hard.
I don't know why they haven't got you. They haven't given you my number. But I don't want to share it here.
Jose, I got your back. I gave my number to him. Don't worry.
You got it.
I really appreciate your help, guys.
No problem.
Thank you.
And stay plugged
Thank
in, Marius. We have the Zooms Monday, Tuesday. And of course, as you see on Wednesday, Schavez comes and gives us an update. Then we have Zooms on Thursday and Friday, and Saturday support day. And this Sunday, Marius, you are going to be able to join us UK Prime Time for masterclass training. I think that is going to go ahead and help you a lot and get you plugged
Excellent.
in.
How can I
on
find
English.
the Zoom calls?
Just as you found it today, okay?
tell-
However, it's going to be the same. Just as you found it today, it will be there, and you join us, okay? We'd love to go ahead and see you. And thank you for being here as one of our newest members. We are
Thank you.
talking just yesterday. Everyone say hello to Marius and give him a big old was
Thank you. I appreciate it.
welcome.
By the way, Marius, yeah, all Zooms are shared with them, all English Prime, even the Hindi, all of them. But now that I have your name, I'm gonna get in touch with you through
Perfect.
Dano's.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you all. So the next time, so thank you very much, Schavez. Thank you very much for this opportunity and being here to take a few questions. Guys, the lineup is Zoom. The meetings, we're going to be having them Monday, Tuesday, and then on Thursday and Friday, come and then bring your questions for Saturday support day. That's the day that is devoted to you to be able to answer your particular questions and to be able to help you. And Sunday masterclass training. You look forward to those. Those are wonderful, wonderful education. And of course, Wednesday, it is Schavez Day, where we get to hear from the CEO giving us updates. Affiliate 2.0 is quite different. Why? Because the difference is Schavez. Thank you all for being here. We bid you a very good night. You get some rest and keep on boomeranging, okay? You're wasting time. It's boomerang time. What time is it? Boomerang time. I'll see you all. Thank you all for being here. Thank you. Well, let's go ahead and unmute everybody, and you all can say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Noni, go ahead and close the room.